is Nicole at OrganizedWisdom.com. I'm going to walk you through how to add references to your guide note and fast facts. To do this, you want to open your card for editing just as you normally would, and we're going to work on our guide note. In this case, I'm working on vitamin C, and let's see, my first sentence is pretty generic. Vitamin C and water gives an alternate name and a water-soluble vitamin. Second sentence, however, says it aids in the growth and repair of bones, cartilage, muscle, and blood vessels. Now, I could be just making this up, but of course I'm not. This did come from Medline Plus, and it's not a direct quote. You do not want to plagiarize, but here's the same general information. So I want to go ahead and credit this in my right here by using a ref tag. Now you do it right at the end of the sentence, immediately following the period, and you do ref as an opening tag. And now the formatting for the link is exactly the same as any other link on the page. In this case, it happens to be one of my 5 grade Natural Standards Research Collaboration via Medline Plus. So I can literally just copy and paste this same link, make sure that I got the formatting exactly right, and then a closing ref tag. Now, if you just save the page, you'll be able to see the little footnote. You'll see a little 1, which is, a little footnote icon in the superscript here. And when you click on it, it takes you down to the bottom of the page where it says Guide Wisdom and Fast Facts References, and it gives the Natural Standards Research Collaboration via Medline Plus. And this little arrow will also take you right back up to the guide note so you can see where that reference was being made. Now we can do a couple more just to get some practice. And when you go in here, let's see, my fast facts. Vitamin C is an effective antioxidant. Okay, you can find this a lot of places, but I'm going to go ahead and reference it so that the user knows that I'm not just making this information up. Now, the Linus Pauling Institute talks about vitamin C as a highly effective antioxidant, and then it actually goes on in some detail talking about it. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to, again, do ref open tag, and this is, again, of one of my 5 grade resources, so I can copy and paste that so that I know I have the formatting exactly right, and then a closing ref tag. The next fast fact says a deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Now this is going to be literally on any page that talks about vitamin C, so I really don't need to have a reference to that. The third fast fact says the use of vitamin C in preventing or treating the common cold remains controversial. Now that is something they can go ahead and give a reference to that. In this case, it happens to come from the same Medline Plus page. And here it talks about vitamin C for the common cold, respiratory infections, etc. So because this is one that I've used already, what I should do is I take this first one, where I have it, the Natural Standards Research Collaboration via Medline Plus, and I'm going to put a name in this ref tag. So instead of it just saying ref, it says ref name equals, and I'm going to just name it Medline Plus. You can name it anything you want, but naming it something that you can remember makes sense. And now to use it again, do ref name equals Medline Plus, and then you do a slash and close the ref tag, and that's it. So it's only this one line instead of this whole line like that. I go ahead and save my wisdom card, and I'll be able to see all of my references right there in my guide note and fast facts. Here we go. Here's my first Medline Plus, here's my Linus Pauling, and here's my second Medline Plus. You'll see it's a 1 again, so that the user knows, oh, this came from the same source. So if I click on these just to go down to my Guide Wisdom and Fast Facts references, you'll see here we go, 1.0, 1.1, and here's number 2. And again, it goes right back up. So that's all there is to doing references. They're quite simple. You'll get used to doing it. It adds a lot of validity and credibility to your guide notes, and this way our users know that we are not just making this up as we go along. And have fun writing your great guide notes, and have a great day.